Hey my friends, so I've been hard at work building a new controller with the Makey Makey and using Lego and some parts from Adafruit, a arcade button, and the joystick. And so what I've done, I've used some Lego windows to get the power cable out and then to get from the joystick controls down to the Makey Makey. And if I peel this off here, I think I can do this without too much damage. I basically created a two-story house. First one here, which has the Makey Makey, and I had to build up the walls thick enough to make sure the alligator clips fit. And then I built this one here, which holds the Adafruit joystick in place, and then just kind of added some decals. And so the idea is that when I press these in here, I can hold this down, get a nice tight seal, and I've got my joystick controls. So what happens is it comes out of the Adafruit joystick, these wires here, and what I have is a female lead on one side and alligator clips on the other that clip to the up, down, right, left, and the earth on the Makey Makey. And then this push button, I just had a standard arcade wire in which I used a male lead wire with an alligator clip on the other end to thread that to the spacebar. And so in my Micro Maze game, this triggers the start of a new game. This allows you to control your sprite through the navigation challenge, and away you go. And then this wire just plugs in so you can plug it in to the computer. So let's head over to the computer and see how it works and operates. So it might be a little hard to see here. See if I can get this set up for you so you can get a better angle. This here is the joystick down there, as you can see, and then my Micro Maze game, which I'll gladly share with you. So let me go ahead and restart this. And so if we push the start button here, it should trigger us, and away we go. I don't know if you can see the sprite right there. And so the golden is to reach the green squares without touching black. So one thing that I want to figure out with the Makey Makey is it's a constant speed, and we could adjust the code by the amount of steps. But what I want to be able to do when I program this using the microbit, I could take the angle of the accelerometer to increase the speed. So if I push this joystick clear to the right, it would go faster than just a little bit. So I don't know if there's a way to do that with the Makey Makey, something we're going to work on. But you can see that it works pretty smooth. We can zigzag back and forth just like so, and try to get to the maze. And we'll see if we can get a new record time here. Probably not. I'm not very good at this. This is a level my daughter created. You can, oh, there you go, and it's back to the start. So yeah, works pretty smooth. I'm pretty jazzed.